Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss now one question asked in university exam where both the variances are asked. Let us read what type of questions are asked at university exam. From the following information, calculate material usage variance, material price variance, labor efficiency variance, and labor rate variance. These are the names of four sub-variances of main variance, material cost variance, and labor cost variance. First two are sub-variances of material cost variance, and next two are sub-variances of labor cost variance. Standard for 10 units of product Y is finished goods. Material required 80 kg, standard price 25 per kg, labor 200 hours, standard rate 2.5 per hour. Actual output 2000 units of product Y. Material consumed 15,680 kg at price 28 per kg. Labors 1,02,960. Rate of labor per hour 2 rupees 60 paise. We are required to calculate standard quantity of material for actual output, standard hours of labor for actual output. For 10 units of product Y, material required is 80 kg. That is standard material required to produce 10 units of product Y. Actual output is 2000 units. For output 10 units, you need standard quantity 80 kg. How much standard quantity will be required to produce 2000 units? It is 16,000 kgs. So standard quantity required for actual output 16,000 kg. Standard hours of labor for actual output. Labor 200 hours at the rate of 2.5 per hour. For output 10 units, standard labor hours required 200 hours. For 2000 units of output, how much labor hours will be required? Standard hours for actual output 40,000 hours. We'll calculate now material cost variances. Formula is standard quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual quantity multiplied by actual price. Standard quantity we have calculated 16,000 kgs. Actual quantity 15,680 kg. Standard price 25 per kg. Actual price 28 per kg. Let us complete formula. Standard quantity 16,000 kg multiplied by standard price 25 per kg minus actual quantity 15,680 kg multiplied by actual rate 28 per kg. $39,040 adverse. Let us calculate subvariances. Material usage variance. Standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price 25, standard quantity 16,000, actual quantity 15,680. Material usage variance rupees 8,000 favorable. Actual quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual price. Actual quantity 15,680 kg, standard price 25, actual price 28. We get material price variance 47,040 adverse. We can verify material cost variance is equal to material usage variance plus material price variance. Material usage variance 8,000 favorable plus material price variance 47,040 adverse. So material cost variance, by adding these two subvariances, 39,040 adverse. We have already calculated material cost variance 39,040 adverse. So it is matching with the material cost variance value. Let us now calculate labor cost variances. In question, they have said labor paid 1,02,960 and they have said rate of labor per hour 2 rupees 60 paise. This is actual rate, but they have not given actual hours taken, which we are required to calculate. Total wages paid divided by labor rate per hour. 1,02,960 rupees paid. Per hour rate is 2 rupees 60 paise. It comes to 39,600 hours. So actual hours is equal to 39,600. Let us calculate now labor cost variance. Labor cost variance is equal to standard hours multiplied by standard rate minus actual hours multiplied by actual rate. Standard hours required, we have calculated 40,000 hours. Actual hours we have calculated now 39,600 hours. Standard rate 2.5 per hour, actual rate 2.6 per hour. One lakh minus 1,02,960. So we get 2,960 negative, that is adverse labor cost variance. Labor efficiency variance is equal to standard rate multiplied by standard hours minus actual hours. Standard hours 40,000 hours, actual hours 39,600. Standard rate 2.5 per hour. Labor efficiency variance 1,000 favorable. Labor rate variance actual hours multiplied by standard rate minus actual rate. Actual hours 39,600. Standard rate 2 rupees 50 paise, actual rate 2 rupees 60 paise. $3,960 adverse. We can verify labor cost variance is equal to labor efficiency variance plus labor rate variance. Labor efficiency variance 1,000 favorable plus labor rate variance 3,960 adverse. So labor cost variance will be 3,960 minus 1,000, 2,960 adverse. We have already calculated labor cost variance 2,960 adverse. In this question, we have learned how to calculate both the types of variances when university type of questions are asked. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.